Yeah. The rain just won't stop. It's really been raining non-stop the past few days. This is the top of Kumander Daot's access road to his fish pond. And these kids are living the province life tricycle style. It is a very rainy morning. I got a few things I gotta do, but it has to start. Hot spring. The coast of Baganga. It is a very beautiful place and also a place that is really developing. You might have seen there in the drone, there's actually a big hotel now that's been put up just along the coast there on the other side of this red building. And that red building is a kind of bigger carinderia that we've probably gone to 6 or 7 times. I'm going to take you to in a sec and we're going to eat. But I also just want to show you guys, again, the whole coast here. It's just got this big kind of reef and it's just really, really beautiful, really peaceful. There's a guy down there right now, I think he's fishing in what looks like a few kind of shallow areas. There might be some holes for the ocean. How do you say that? Holes? Potholes? I don't know. Anyways, Baganga I really think is going to end up becoming the major hub here for tourism. There's just so many new things popping up here all the time. I actually had some friends stay at that big hotel a few weeks back and yeah, they said the rooms are nice. Basically, I gotta go into Baganga to send off something. I'll explain that in a bit. But first and foremost, it's time to go to Kachung's. First and foremost, how many carinderias have sweet chili sauce? It's always there at the South Sound section. I just love it, so I always get it. This is Kachung's. They have balbakwa, halang halang, bulalo, sinigang baboy, sinigang isda. Their soups are always hot, so it's nice. And they always seem to have a good selection of fried fish. I always get two fish and halang halang just sabaw. That's my vibes. That's what I'm gonna eat. Late brunch. Let's go. And the classic sausawan, of course. That fish is awesome. It's called escogido and it seems to always be there. I like when fried fish have substance to them. That it's not really, really thin, so you don't just get a bunch of the oil. You really just taste the meat, and and that's a big white meaty fish, escogido, kachungs. We're heading into Baganga because I need to go to the LBC and send off a package. I'll show you what I mean in a sec. I gotta focus on driving. To Baganga. Remember when I bought more of these, the hot blast thing we use, the Hong Tai? Oh, so good. And I was sent a free gift, snail body whitening soap, and I told everybody how I don't need or want it, and I'll send it to somebody. Today I'm sending it to Lugaet, Davao Oriental, and I made some headbands. Sending it now. Thanks for messaging me. Please don't ever send me whitening soap as free gifts. Whoever owns this company. LBC, into Baganga, more shopping, life errands, choreograph routine, power on. Do you remember when we first ever moved to the coast and came to Baganga, we used to go to a place sometimes called K-Cups? Well, it's been a while. Here it is. It's just moved from this corner of Burgos Street, literally to the other side. It's like a bakery, milk tea, kind of little cafe. Gonna get some snacks for everybody. Let's see what they got. Thank you. Wow. Usually it's bugas per kilo.
Karon lansang.
Karon lansang. Usually it's bugas, but karon it's lansang.
Wala ka nag-motor, sir?
Magsakyan karon. Na ko yung motor kasi maglaag.
Kasagayan ako sa magandang vlog eh.
Oh. Ano mo pangalan, Brad?
Si Makmak.
Makmak, kulas. Pilang nails? Pilang kilo ba?
55, sir.
Right. Pila isa ka kilo?
Bisaya, no?
Oh, 35 a kilo?
55.
Oh, 85. Okay, sakto ba? There it is. That's for you, madman. Ayan.
$125, sir.
Sige, hansa. Rain is back. I got some really good 5 peso hopia and egg bread from that Pat and Terry's bake shop. It's on the corner of the market in Baganga. Got a mango cake from K-Cups and a carrot cake. Snacks are good. I really want to go on a big, massive scooter adventure. That's one reason why too I was getting my scooter looked after the other day. But I have a few things coming up. A few things with the DOST, where we go into kind of some rural areas and do Salik Lakbai and look at some local kind of ingenuity. Also, it's election time, and going on a big scooter adventure right now, it can also be a bit difficult because people are really in campaign mode and it can be very intense.
Chiffon ba?
You think it's mango chiffon?
No, I can see it here.
Is there something surprising in it? It's supposed to be mango cake.
Only icing with mango.
Let's see. Look at this weather. What are we gonna do? Madman, how are you gonna build a fence when it's raining?
Also starting. I started already.
You started in the rain?
No, look at there.
What? Asa?
Yes, a cutting station here now.
Ah, under the talisay?
Here.
Oh, Madman has a rain cutting station.
So, I'm now smoker again.
You're the smoker? Or you just sit here and eat and watch him? Oh. But you cook mongo, right? Let's show. So the smoker made mongo when I was gone. Oh! I went to Kachang's. To be fair, the Talisay tree is actually a really good payang. It's heavy rain, but I don't know if this is ever gonna stop, so I'm just gonna show you quickly. Madman is already... Oh, Talisay to the rescue again! Madman has already fixed this side, the bamboo fence, and he's got the poles, he's been cutting them. They're gonna be about 6 feet tall. Oh! It's really raining, just raining non-stop all day. .30 in the afternoon, feels like 5:30. Just coming up to see the boys. They're setting up all the white sections to be painted the same similar color as the wood. You see they got a newspaper, they're covering everything. I'm excited. Oh, everybody. It's a whole teamwork. I like it. Oh, nice. Almost got it down. Grabe ka ulan, man. Oh, you're putting in drawers? Oh, no way. That's dope. Is it already Do that again, 1 second. Actually? Dude. For a long time we just made push drawers in the cabinet. Idol. Kumar, the Grand Master of Sequate, is over watching me do this. Gotta be the rain, seriously. This really is one of those days, but I want to know something. Brad, what are these for?
It's me and Gimpoy, we have a project.
What?
Yes.
Oh, wait, hold on. Are you watching on YouTube? Oh, cool. Brad, what's your project?
You're gonna see later.
Really? When? Today?
Oh, we're just waiting for another material to make this.
I thought it was for barbecue sticks.
No. It's for engineering, for engineers.
Engineers?
Oh, this is for engineers.
You're gonna do something later today? Oh, you know I'm filming that. I'm filming whatever they're doing later. I'll see you then. See you then.
This is school project. This is secret. This is supposed to be secret na. And you're telling everyone.
Bye-bye, sir. Are you surfing?
Yes.
Let's see.
Now?
Oh.
Basketball.
Oh, NBA Jam?
NBA.
Just nothing but rain and wind. Orange rainfall warning. Good night. Oh, is that lightning? Allah. and now lightning. That's it, man. Goodbye, signal engineer. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Grabe. Wow. It's the next morning. It's been raining just non-stop and the entire Cateel River is flooding at the back. Do you remember Kumander Daot's Fishpond on the road? Again, you know, rain, I like to laugh and joke around, but Grabi, it also has its intense effects, and I think a lot of people are evacuating on Cateel right now, so please stay safe, everybody. I'm gonna try and take a few shots of the river with my drone, but it just won't stop raining. You can just see everywhere on the right side of the road the water's starting to come up. In fact, I think I wouldn't be shocked if Barangay Baybay, the actual barangay, is flooded underwater here by the school. If you're watching this now, just send some positive vibes for the rain to stop, because right now it doesn't seem like it's going to, and the forecast isn't looking very good, and there's gonna be a lot of areas all over the east coast of Mindanao flooding. So yeah, that's about it for now, guys. I'm just gonna head back home and just, yeah, it's a bummer. I feel bad. We're lucky that we're in a place that doesn't flood, at least right now. But there's gonna be a lot of people having a really tough day right now. Grabe, man. Grabe.
Stop rain.
Dude, I feel bad for everybody. Like, it's gonna be really tough in Cateel.
Especially here.
Yeah. Yeah, look at the school.